a bag of tricks to support all children and youth in your program is a really fun way to help set up for success. Bag of tricks is a catchy term that we use to describe a bag full of items that you can use in a variety of ways and settings to meet the needs of your program participants. The purpose of the bag is to have immediate access to different things and items which you can use when things aren't going so well, and also to increase your own competence and confidence in managing those situations. If you already have or currently using a bag of tricks, we hope that you find some novel ideas to add, and if you're not, we really hope that you consider incorporating one in your program. Items in a bag of tricks can be used to help each youth participate in an activity, or to help someone who's upset to calm down, or to engage the group if there's an unexpected delay. Every bag of tricks can be different and include something specific that a youth in your group may need, such as a preferred fidget or a calming material, or perhaps a communication device or a visual support. Items in your bag of tricks do not need to be expensive. You'll be amazed at the things that you can find at garage sales, thrift stores, the dollar stores, or my personal favorite, Target dollar bins. This can include books, games, and toys. Today, I am going to have my buddy Preston help me show you and review some items that you can add to your own bag of tricks. We are going to focus on showing you some items in each of the different categories. 1, calming supports. 2, visual supports. 3, transition supports. 4, sensory items. And last, 5, alternative activities.